about trust. It's about trust of companies interacting with other companies, companies interacting with the public, and we, as with our mission of bringing trust in the Dutch economy, want to make sure that we are there as well, and that our component, our ingredient, of being the identity of the entrepreneur, is also being used in this frame of trust. What we will do is make sure that the components we have, being that identity of the entrepreneur, being that the fact that in our register all the attributes of the entrepreneur are registered, that it's clear for everybody how they can access those attributes and how they can also use that to innovate further on behalf of the entrepreneurs, basically. So helping the entrepreneurs, helping other entrepreneurs with our key component. What we get back to it is this intelligence about what's happening out there. How do people nowadays innovate in the field of trust, in the field of engaging with untrusted and trusted parties, and learning from that how we have to adapt our services for that. For us, maybe it's not per se the question what motivates us to use the technology, but it's that we see that in society, in the technology field, people look at blockchain, are keen on advancing that field to the benefit of building trust, and we, as the enabler of trust, as keeping the identity of the entrepreneur within our register, want to make sure that that component is also inserted, is also used, is also usable within this ecosystem blockchain is developing right now. What we want to achieve is being sure that the component of identity of entrepreneur is there in a new world. So that all these developments which are taking shape now, which are being actively hacked and discussed and being shaped in this ecosystem, they are also not only aware of our component, but they also can use it in the way it's there now, and also can ask us to adjust it, to develop further on it, to basically give us the roadmap of what the future needs. I think to get to the next level, we need to be sure that we have practical use cases, that the actual specific demands are being transferred into usable products, which not only built on kind of laboratory settings, but also on real-world data and real-world problems. And we, as a provider of essential data, being the identity of the entrepreneur and the characteristics of the entrepreneur, are keen on helping with that, helping to that next level of real data.